welcome to all my new subscribers. Like, I like all my videos. Whoa! Oh my goodness me! To me, this is the best day. I love wind. Wind is kind of like one of my stems, so it will be one of my calm downs. So it's one of my. Even though my hair drives me crazy, usually I put it up when it's windy, but I didn't want to because I really like it down. But look at this view. The waves. Alright, we're going for a walk. Anyway, I will finish this video and I will just do a shot without her. And then I go up to the lake and to the beach. I'll talk to you guys soon. Finding the wild animal. I laughed at you right here. Let you go up to the water over a bit. Oh no, you can't. My goodness, girl. like this, it's just kind of nice and just, I know I got a crack in my window, yeah. I had it fixed and then a month later it broke again. And it's just, and the lake is over there, the one that I keep finishing with. Oh, it's just so beautiful out here. You want to enjoy it too, Keem? Oh wow, it's just beautiful. It's up top and you can see the lake. See how the lake? Hi everyone, Catherine Craig. So what I'm gonna do is take a bunch of the videos, unless it's one great video of something that, anyway, of the week, I'm gonna try and post all the videos together, and it's mostly on nature and the lake. There might be the same thing over, but it might just be enough to help somebody with the sound of the water, the sound of the wind. It'll be better. It's a healing thing, you know? So, I was gonna show you, but I had to go out. I wanted to get some gas before I leave tomorrow, so I filled up the gas and went to Timmy's, and then I had to go to the store. Well, after I got the gas, I ripped my pants going into the car. I'm like, seriously? And then when I went to Tim Hortons, I was getting a coffee for a friend, so I went to go and drop the coffee off of her. And when I went to get back, when I got back in the car from her place, the pants even ripped even more. I'm like, are you kidding me? Thankfully, I had a jacket and I wrapped it around me to go in the store, but what? Yeah, by the time I was done, I had ripped my pants up from the waist all the way down past my butt cheek. Yeah, time to get rid of them. Rest in peace, pants. Anyway, so tomorrow I'll be leaving and going home, but I've been thinking about maybe trying to do some nature, like go to places and do some nature walks, and maybe that'll help me out, and maybe it will help you out too. Anyways, this is Catherine Craig, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Even though I'm putting it on to the other videos. Anyways, guys, I hope you have a good one.